Yeah, this is so random. I am on a mission to retrieve a fried turkey from Popeyes. I have called all over the great state of Atlanta, and guess where they have some? Y'all see it. I'm over here on Lee Street in West End. I'm gonna get this turkey. I am going to get this turkey. I should get two. I'm gonna get one for my house and one for. I don't need two turkeys. Hello,